Hello friends, hope you're all doing good. The best and cost effective way to lighting your homes would be LED bulbs. And in LED bulbs we have different types. There is the normal LED bulb, we have an inverter LED bulb and a filament LED bulb. Now each of these has their advantages and disadvantages. For instance, the normal LED bulb would be cost effective, but in terms of looks as well as the the ability to power on when there is power failure, it's not going to be there. Whereas in inverter bulb, it's slightly more expensive, but when there is a power failure, it's going to light on. Then we have the filament bulbs or the filament LED bulbs. These bulbs have the added advantage of having good looks. It gives a very aesthetic appeal to the room. They are also cost effective, but they do not generally have the ability to power on when there is a power failure unless it is an inverter bulb.